Hi there, I'm Alan Bean and welcome to How To, where we give you tips and tricks just to make your life just that little bit easier. Right, so in this video I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks you can do with Facebook Messenger. I'm showing it on desktop purely because it's easier to show you exactly what I'm doing, but the same features are there on your mobile phone, just using the same system, just using the three dots or the cog depending on what sort of phone system you're using. So let's go into Facebook, and the first thing I'm going to do is show you a fun thing that you can do. Going into a messenger, and I'll do this with myself, another profile I've got. You can change your name, your nickname. Go on to nicknames. As you can see, I've already changed it to me. So me, myself, and I. Because it's a nickname, you can put whatever you want, save it, and guess what comes up? Me, myself, and I. Okay? I don't like that much, so I'll change it back again and just call myself me. And there we go, back to me. You can change the colour that goes on your profile. Now the advantage of this, you set this for each individual person that you're chatting to. So if you're using a profile that's not just for you, for personal use, but also for talking to potential customers or non-friends or whatever it may be, you can choose a separate colour for them. But when you choose a colour, you can see the change of the colour at the top, and anything that's come through also changes its cover. Let's try another colour just to show you the difference. That one there, give it a minute, and go blue to purple, etc. You also have the choice to change your emoji. So just at the bottom of here you can see you've got an emoji that you can press and immediately that one comes up, your most common used one. So I think that looks pretty cool. I'll set my emoji to that one now. So if I want to do it at the end of the thing, I just press the button and away it goes. Okay, so that's some quick things you can do with that. You can also create a group from here, which allows you to have a group of family, friends in one chat area. But I'm going to open Messenger now over here and show you a couple of other interesting things that you can now do. So, whereas in the past, over here you would be able to see if somebody had sent you a message request as well as the actual messages from people who are already friends and connected with you. Now you need to go through your cog to where it says message requests. Now there's no message requests there for me, but that is the only way now that you can see if somebody sent you a request. The next thing that I'm going to show you is this here. You can create a video room. So you can create a room where you're using your camera to create video, just like Zoom. Okay, so access to everything, just as you would expect. Then you can invite people to the room. So just like Zoom does, and I'll probably do a video on this later on how to use it to the best ability, but this is a new feature to compete with Zoom with what's happened over the past few months. So get rid of that. So that's for your getting hold of friend requests and message requests. There's to create a video room where you can have your own equivalent to Zoom, the Facebook variation of it, send a new message, and I think that will cover it in that video for now. So please do like, share, comment, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.